Congratulations on purchasing a new MC-750 massage chair. There's some assembly required, but it's fairly easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. Assembling the MC-750 is quick and easy. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and the 2 attached screws. The 2 screws are located in the hinges that connect the footrest to the body of the chair. First, connect the air hose and the electrical connector from the footrest to the body of the chair. Then, take the 2 Phillips head screws out of the hinges. Make sure you have the plastic sleeves installed on the mounting bracket. Lift up the cover on the hinges and place the mounting brackets inside, one at a time. Use the screws to secure the mounting bracket in place. And zip it up. Finally, it's time to holster your screwdriver in the attached pouch and massage away.